Hi, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to enable your products for online selling. Adding your products online has many more uses than just creating an online store. When you enable your products for online use, you'll be able to run online ads for your products on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google. The best part is that enablement is as simple as checking a box, and then you'll be able to access all of the online features provided by eSeries, including an online storefront. Start at your X-Series back office and navigate to your products page. Here you will be able to enable products individually or in bulk. To enable a single product for online selling, select that product to open its editing page. And then click the Sell Online box. Make sure to click Save. That's all you need to do to enable your product for online selling. If you would like to enable multiple products at once for online selling, click the boxes of the products you would like to enable. Then select Choose an Action, Activate Products on Channels. A pop-up window will appear where it will ask you where you would like to sell these products. Click Online Store and then click Activate on Channels. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to enable products for online use in your X-Series store.